everybody, it's been a while since I've done a regular coupons video to print. You guys, like, it's just kind of been slow, but they actually updated a lot of new coupons, so you guys definitely want to check them out. So a lot of coupons did reset. They did add a $2 off Nivea, a $3 off Eucerin, which is a great coupon. They also have $2 off any 2 Nivea lip products. Extra refreshers, $1 off. I'm printing that off because I get deals all the time with my CVS, like CRTs, so I'm definitely going to print that off. We got Scrubbing Bubbles, Windex, Kellogg's, Aleve, Clorox, L'Oreal, more Scrubbing Bubbles, Aveeno, $2 off, Lubriderm, $2.50. I'm going to print that one off just in case. Miss Charlotte says hello to everybody. Okay, you guys, so they have, I saw that they have $1 off the Juicy Fruit Fruitables, $1 off for that. We have $3 off Glad Bags. I sometimes never get deals with printing the coupons off, but you never know. We got $1 off Scrubbing Bubbles, $1.75 off of Breathe Right, and then we got some more Gold Bond ones, Aveeno. I thought I saw one more coupon that was awesome. Here we got $1 off Act. I'm going to print that off because usually there's Ibotta deals for that. And that might be it for awesome coupons to print. Prego, 75 cents. Now here's $1 off Cheerios Oat and Honey. I'm going to print that off because it's a new cereal, so there might be a deal for it. And then the L'Oreal is still available and the Perel is still available if you guys need to print those off. But just wanted to give you guys a little heads up on new coupons to print. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye-bye.